Braised shiitake mushroom is a traditional Chinese cuisine that can grace the banquet and also serve as the everyday meal at home. In this video, I want to share with you how to prepare this dish at home. Let's take a look how to prepare it. You can get the recipe in the description right below the video and more information by following the link to the blog post. First, soak the mushrooms. Soak it in water overnight or up to a day until they are adequately hydrated. It's a good idea to soak it overnight before cooking, as they will not get over-soaked. This is how the mushroom looks like before soaking, when it is still dry. Then remove the stem. Clean the mushroom and it's ready for braising. Do not cut the mushrooms. They should be braised and eventually served uncut. Keep the water after soaking the mushrooms. The water contains loads of flavor diffused from the mushrooms, which is ideal to use it as the braising liquid. Next, prepare the aromatics. Coarsely chop the ginger. And coarsely chop the garlic. Cut the scallion into 5 cm sections. Use the white part of the scallion as it is more aromatic. Now we move on to saute the aromatics. Saute the ginger until it turns fragrant. Add the garlic to the ginger only when the ginger starts to turn aromatic, because garlics tend to brown much faster than ginger. Next, add the scallion. And then, followed by the adequately hydrated shiitake mushroom to the pan. Add water or the stock. The following are the seasoning of this recipe. Oyster sauce. If you are vegetarian, you can use the vegetarian version of the oyster sauce, which is made with mushroom extracts. Rock sugar. If you don't have rock sugar, you can just use white sugar will do. The Chinese Shaoxing wine. Light soy sauce. And a little bit of dark soy sauce for the color. Mix well and add to the mushrooms. Add some water we use to soak the mushrooms, sufficient to submerge the mushrooms. Cover and braise over low heat for about 50 minutes to 1 hour. Mix half teaspoon of cornstarch with a tablespoon of water to form the cornstarch slurry. When the mushrooms are soft and the braising liquid has reduced to about a quarter cup, add the cornstarch slurry to thicken the sauce. Once it's done, remove from heat as further heating will dry up the gravy. Serve. It is a good idea to blanch some broccoli to serve along with the mushrooms. This is how I prepare braised mushroom with oyster sauce. I hope you enjoy watching, and don't forget to follow the channel by clicking the subscription button. Until then, I'll see you again in the next video. My name is Katie Kwan. Bye for now.